So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and I want to show you my brand new gaming headset. Very important, it's wireless. Now the nice thing with this headset, works with your PS5, PS4, even your Xbox, Windows, Mac, Switch, or even the Steam Deck. Let me show you how the whole thing works right now. So as you see, it has a real cool design, because why? I'm going to be wearing this many hours, so I want to make sure it's comfortable, and it is. We have the pad around the top. You can see about the drivers, they have a nice comfy pad on both sides. Now it has a cool LED. It's pretty simple. What you're going to do, you're going to hold the power for about 3 seconds, and it comes on, and you got the LEDs on. Now again, to charge it, you're going to charge it through the USB Type-C. Now from here, it's easy to navigate. If you want to turn the LED in on or off, you're going to press 2 times, and it turns it off. Press it once again, comes on. If you want to turn on or off the 7.1 with the surround sound, it's pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is hit the power 1 second, or either you turn it off or you turn it on. Then the nice thing with these headphones, by the way, it has a voice prompt, so it lets you know every time you press the microphone on or off. Now these are the buttons for the microphone, and you see the grooves right there, so you will not ask your mic when you go up. The nice thing is when you press it once, it's on or off, and you have a voice prompt. Also the voice prompt, even for the gaming, is all being controlled by the volume. So the volume is pretty simple because it's right here, so it's easy for you to control your volume. So if you connect in your computer, in my case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the volume all the way high in my computer, and then I can control it from here. So how are you going to connect this for your PS5, PS4, or either a PC or Mac? And it's pretty simple. Why? It comes with the dongle. No drivers required for your PC or Mac. Just plug it in, select the headphone, and it's done. Automatically detects your microphone, your speaker is on. But same thing, if you're going to plug this right in your PS5 or PS4, just go on the configuration and select this, and the same. No, the cable, nothing else required. So if you have the Xbox controller, either Series X or X, well, it's pretty simple because it does comes with the wire. And this time we're going to be using this wire, and sure, we can use this for the PC if you want to, but why not? We have the wireless system. So you're going to plug it right here, and it's pretty simple. You're going to plug it right in your Xbox right here, and now you can use it for your gaming. Perfect. Now I do have the switch, so if you want to use the switch, it's pretty simple. Just plug in right there, and now you can use it with the switch. And hey, there's my preferred console. If you have the Steam Deck, why not just go and plug it in the Steam Deck, and now you can join all your gaming with this headset. So by the way, it comes with a real cool bag, so when you finish, you can put it right here and keep always nice and clean. And I love it. I'll see you next time. Bye.